Two Filipino fighters have made their presence felt in the boxing world. Adonis Cabalquinto and Aston Palicte made short work of their respective opponents to win IBF titles. The undefeated Cabalquinto bagged the IBF Asia Junior welterweight crown by scoring a technical knockout with a win over Denkamon Pakdi of Thailand 27 seconds into the third round of their bout held at the Almendras Gym in Davao City over the weekend. It was the 26-year-old Cabalquinto's 19th straight win with 12 knockouts and no loss. Cabalquinto is also the reigning WBC Asian Boxing Council and Philippine Junior welterweight champion. On the other hand, the 22-year-old Palicte crowned himself with the IBF World Youth Super Flyweight title by knocking out Jomyutlek Sor Narongchai of Thailand in just 2 minutes and 11 seconds of the first round. It was Palicte's 11th knockout victory in 15 wins against only one loss.